Hello guys, look at this cut thing. So my friends got it and she got it from Comic-Con and it is a cut. It is adorable and it is a cut and I'm making my hamburger kitty voice right now. But it is so good. So good. But it is so good. But this is my normal voice, but I am doing my kitty voice today. Okay, so it is a hamburger and she got it from Comic-Con a couple of days ago. And it's so pretty, it's so squishy, and it's squishy, and if you guys smell it, it smells like heaven. And you can talk. Hello! And it is so good, and you can squish it down, and it comes right back up. Then you can squish it down again, and it's so good. You can take that. And it smells really good. It smells like heaven, like I just said, because it's a kitty. It's a kitty. Kitty! Kitty! Anyways, okay, yeah, but this. But there's a go down boss, it is like heavens. Look at that tomato, look at that thing, look at that hamburger, look at that cheese, look at the other, it's two sided hamburgers. Look at that mouth, that looking pretty, it's like a birthday. It's a birthday. It's a birthday. Yes, it's like a birthday. But it is adorable, you can just squash it, and it is so good. Squash. Doubles. And a thousand cents, so we have to be careful because the air's gonna come off with here. We don't want his air to come off. Mr. Junior Kitty! And so, yes. But he is adorable, and I hope you guys can go to Comic-Con so you can get this cut when there's lots of more squishies. And I hope you can make it to Comic-Con and you can get one. There's macaroon ones, there's a lot of other ones, there are ice cream ones, but they're squishies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kitty hamburger video, and see you in the next one.